Good day friends, and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to dig deeper into the world of car wash services, so let's get started. A car wash service is a professional facility where vehicles, such as cars, trucks, and motorcycles, can be thoroughly cleaned and washed. It offers a convenient and efficient solution for vehicle owners who want to maintain the cleanliness and appearance of their vehicles. Car wash services typically provide different types of wash packages to cater to various customer preferences and budgets. When a vehicle arrives at a car wash, it goes through a series of steps to ensure a comprehensive cleaning process. This often includes pre-washing to remove loose dirt and debris, followed by a thorough scrubbing with specialized cleaning solutions and brushes. The vehicle is then rinsed off to remove all traces of soap and dirt. Additionally, car wash services may offer additional services such as waxing, interior cleaning, and tire shining to enhance the overall look and protection of the vehicle. The use of automated systems, high-pressure water jets, and environmentally friendly cleaning products is common in modern car wash services. Starting a car wash business requires careful planning and consideration. Here are some key steps to get started. Conduct market research. Begin by researching the local market and assessing the demand for car wash services in your area. Analyze the competition. Target customer demographics, and identify any gaps or opportunities in the market. Develop a business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan that outlines your objectives, target market, services offered, pricing structure, marketing strategies, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business and can be used to secure financing if needed. Secure financing. Evaluate the costs involved in setting up your car wash business, including land or lease expenses, equipment, construction, permits, and initial inventory. Explore funding options such as bank loans, investors, or personal savings to secure the necessary capital. Choose a location. Select a prime location for your car wash business. Consider factors such as visibility, accessibility, proximity to residential areas or commercial centers, and the availability of utilities. Check local zoning regulations and obtain any necessary permits or licenses. Purchase equipment and supplies. Invest in high-quality car wash equipment, including wash systems, vacuum cleaners, water treatment systems, and payment systems. Source reliable suppliers for cleaning chemicals, towels, brushes, and other consumables. Hire and train staff. Determine your staffing needs based on the scale of your car wash business. Hire reliable employees and provide them with comprehensive training on equipment operation, customer service, and safety protocols. Develop a marketing strategy. Create a marketing plan to attract customers to your car wash business. Utilize online and offline channels to promote your services, such as social media marketing, local advertising, flyers, and partnerships with local businesses. Offer promotions, loyalty programs, and exceptional customer service to build a loyal customer base. Ensure legal and regulatory compliance. Familiarize yourself with local, state, and federal regulations regarding environmental standards, water usage, waste disposal, and employment laws. Comply with all necessary permits, licenses, and insurance requirements to operate your car wash business legally and responsibly. Provide excellent service. Focus on delivering a high-quality car wash experience to your customers. Consistently maintain your equipment, prioritize cleanliness, and train your staff to provide friendly and efficient service. Encourage customer feedback and continuously improve your operations based on customer preferences and suggestions. Remember, starting a car wash business requires careful planning, attention to detail, and dedication. By offering exceptional service and meeting customer demands, you can build a successful and profitable car wash business. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, consider giving us a like as well as hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.